Well, the problem of user needs is always a challenge, and when you're talking about national or global access, then the problem gets exacerbated, especially today when the user community is not just a few 100,000 people who make the commitment to using computers, but practically, well, certainly half the population at this point who are on the web, and that proportion will continue to grow. How do we actually meet the stylistic, cognitive, experiential needs of this broad audience is I think, a really new challenge. I mean, in some respects, the Internet and the World Wide Web set interface design back 5 years perhaps, but it actually opened up entirely new doors.
I think the thing that makes our project different from other projects is that we start with an immediate view of large scale, and we use existing resources like a large ontology and a large AI-based database access planner. And we use natural language techniques and so forth to try and put together some of the most cutting-edge techniques in a completely new way, which makes it easy for normal people, not experts, to access information that they could never see before.
Helping define the problem correctly. Let's not provide near-term solutions to immediate problems. Let's not produce technologies that are so generic that the mission agency experts are not able to apply those technologies to their problems. We've got to find that middle zone. That's a significant challenge. I think that the program, as it has been implemented so far, is doing very well in addressing that challenge.
Digital government is providing a focus on some of the problems that we've been working on for a long time but not having the resources to tackle. And the issue like access for blind people, it has been a very severe problem for many, many people. And the solutions have been fairly standard, if you like. This is the way it's done and that's the way it is. What the digital government program has allowed us to do is actually start implementing a different strategy and have potential users that we can work with to iron out the wrinkles and put it into very practical usage quickly.
The leading edge technologies that we're looking at really are the integration of spatial databases, indexing, user interfaces, and a little bit of algorithms research as well. What we find is the challenge is to look at a difficult problem where you can't really solve it, yet you actually get the user involved in the solution so that the user is almost walking you through the solution.
This whole program being so closely linked to citizen needs and agency needs permits us to bring our students to Washington, to have them meet with some of our supporters, to have them actually directly meet with users who are going to be accessing the data through their systems. It's an unusual experience.